Conspiracy theories about the Egyptian pyramids have been getting millions and millions of views, and people have been making thousands of dollars each month on the TikTok creativity program beta, on videos that are over 1 minute long. And in this video, we'll be showing you how you can create videos just like these. What we need for our video is a video script, copyrighted free pictures and videos, and a voiceover. For our video script, go on ChatGPT and write the following prompt, and you can replace the Atlantis Connection conspiracy theory with any theory that you like. And you can use the same prompt. And it looks a little bit short, so we're gonna just tell ChatGPT to write more. And here's our video script. We need visual prompts, so we're gonna tell ChatGPT to write them for us. And here's our visual prompts. Now we're gonna go on Leonardo AI and click on Create New Image. And we're gonna paste the prompt that ChatGPT created for us. And then we're gonna click on Generate. And just so you know, Leonardo AI will give you 150 tokens per day, which is free, which can be used to create pictures and videos. And here's our image that we created. And to turn our image to a video, we're going to click on Image to Motion and click on Generate. And here's how our video looks like. And then keep doing that for all of your visual prompts. Now go on CapCut and put all of the pictures and videos that you created on Leonardo AI, and put transitions between each picture and video. And this will help people watch your videos a little bit longer. And you can choose any transition that you like. Click on Add Text, then paste your video script. Then click on Text to Speech. And choose the voiceover that you like. We're going to click on Old Style Advertising Mail. Keep in mind that you have to do this by parts because when you add all of your text, CapCut has a limited amount of characters, so you have to do it by parts. So add your text, then click on Text to Speech. And don't worry how the text looks, we're going to fix that right now. And now we're going to screen record our entire video, and this is because we're going to create our auto captions. Now click on Audio, then Extract it, then click on the screen recording of your video. And now we have our audio. Now we're going to delete the audio that we created in the beginning, and the text as well. Click on Auto Captions and choose the captions that you like. And we're going to choose the yellow text with the black outline. And we're just going to make sure of the spelling of all of our text. And once we're done and we want to download our video, click on the arrow on the upper right hand corner. And if you want to know the best niches for TikTok and YouTube to make thousands of dollars each month, make sure to watch the video in the description box below. Thanks for watching!